All right, finally, last lip balm is one we have for men. This is the WBM Care All Natural Lip Balm for Men. This is a moisturizing lip balm. It does come in a pack of 4. So this is going to be a lip balm that is comprised of natural ingredients. It will help to keep your lips nice and hydrated for an extended period of time so that you don't have to worry about reapplying or, whatever the case is. It also has a non-sticky application, so I know boys who do not like to be kissed after their girlfriends or wives or whomever has their lipstick on. You don't have to worry about this creating or triggering you to any of those reminders. It is made from shea butter and olive, so it will help to prevent lips from cracking and keep them nice and moisturized. That is the theme of this, keeping everything nice and clean and moisturized and hydrated and all that good stuff. It is made from natural vitamins that, again, help to hydrate and leave your lips nice and smooth, because let's be honest, no one likes to kiss chapped lips, so it is refreshing and hydrating, does not have any added preservatives, minerals, and it is made from industrial wax, which means it is free from all of those harmful or harsh chemicals that some, kind of cheaper, bad chapsticks could potentially have. It does have ingredients like jojoba oil and shea butter, which are going to help keep that moisture trapped into your lips, so that it will, again, help you with weather conditions, out and about in the cold, things like that. Our lips don't produce oil, so this will help to put that moisture back in and keep them give them a nice fuller look. So again, for the pack of 4, it is $14.32, originally at $15.88, so it's marked down a little bit from that price point, but nothing too crazy. So definitely think if you have any men in your life that are complaining about chapped lips, or maybe you're always stealing your chapstick, then this is the great opportunity to get them their own. All right, so we're moving out of the kind of lip and facial care products